I'm just having a little bit of a dig around, and you can see the layers of where I put the manure on and stuff. If you look there, so that's good, and it has got if I can find them, there is loads of worms and stuff, so that's good. Hello all, welcome back. Thanks for your comments, subs and likes. Right, it's been quite a wet couple of days actually, and I haven't been able to do anything out here, but today it's stopped raining. It's a bit nippy, so got a few extra layers on, so it should be all right. But I want to try and finish that bed front, because I haven't finished that yet, but it's a bit wet to be climbing out the back to sort that wood out and what have you, so I will get on with that, finishing that bed. As you can see, it's been a very wet couple of days, so I haven't managed to finish that off or anything, but I looked in my wood storage. I thought I had some more boards that can go along the edge here, but they were feather edge, so but I can get on and do this front bit anyway, because I've got another post up here. I'm going to use something like this, see if I can get this in. I don't know if I'll be able to get that in that far, so, but I don't want to be cutting wet wood really, so I'll see what I can find and I'll come back to you. But obviously I haven't come out or anything, because as you can see it's been very wet, so, but yeah, as you can see I put a brick on there to stop more water getting in that oil drum, but yeah, I'll see what I can find to make a post. I've found a post, had a few nails in it, but yeah, they wouldn't come out, so I had to bang them in. But anyway, as you can see, half of, well, a little bit at the end there is a dry, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut a point in it so that it will hammer in the ground easier. I've got my heavy mallet saw, and I've got my spirit level and drill and everything, so I'll get them to cut this into a point first. We got through there in the end. It doesn't really help that my saw's blunt, so it took a bit more than what I was expecting, but it is like 1.5 inches square, so it is quite a chunky bit of wood. And obviously, as you can see, I've cut it on a diagonal, so it'll go in that way or whichever way. Now, it should make it a bit easier to hammer in the ground. Right, I'm going to get my breath back, then I'll knock this in. Just while I'm in here, actually, these are cabbages. I've moved them because it seems like there's a snail or something that seems to like this tray, because he's had another go at my cabbages. I've just taken all the pots out and everything, and I can't see anything actually in that tray. Sorry, in that tray. So I will lift up a couple of these trays and see if there's anything under there. But I would have thought if they were under there, they would have gone for the top ones. But I'll take these couple out and see if there's anything under there. Well, look what I've just noticed, crawling its way up the side of the polytunnel. So he will be going, he'll be going and having a sleep in a minute. But I'll have another look under this one. I've looked up under the other one and I couldn't see anything. I'm trying not to tip the plant out as well, but I can't see anything under there. So I don't know whether it's just that one or not, but if it was, then good riddance. Right, I'll put this back. Right, this is what I think I'm going to do, something like this. Obviously I have my board going in the front there. I'm going to leave a brick's width, maybe a little bit more. Then hopefully I can get a row of bricks in, and then a board behind it. So it's brick and then the bed. So I've got a little bit of a gap going down there. But right, I need to try and get this post in as close as I can to that corner. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get it in there or not, but if not, then I will move the post out to somewhere like that, just leave that edge there. Then when I go up there, I will have to put another post there. So I'll still have my corner, but yeah, the post won't be in the corner. Right, let's see how we get on with this. Right, there you go. Nice and level now. So that should be close enough. I'm going to use them decking boards on this end, I think. So I just screw them on. I'll need to, I'm probably going to cut them a little bit, just so the edge comes to here. So when I put my board in now, I've got enough room, but obviously I had to move it over a little bit. That was just by luck, to be honest, but that's a big enough gap for a pallet board or something to run down the back there. So more cutting. I'll get that one and that one cut. Then it's going to be dug out like I've done there. Then I'll make the bed obviously to the height of what it is up the top of that post. I'll do that and I'll come back.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient and soon it can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous, it's the world honestly burning. That's all I'm learning, hope that we can make a turn and start reversing. All our minds and put the work in, we got some work, man. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Gotta get through this, life is a nuisance, tie up some loose ends. I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution. A place like this, it didn't exist, we made it like this. So you can go pick the bad or the good, got a glass halfway. I know, it's easier to hide than just to lay low. Not everyone in life has got a halo. I'm standing in the red inside a payphone. Just wanna break, no, I'm not gonna give in. Take a last shot, Michael J. Win. No, I'm not a robot, I'm in my own skin. Never get lost when thoughts pull you in. I miss the old you, we died with a purpose. All the energy around me felt nervous, scared I would pop out fast to the surface. Had to cut it off before you made me worthless. Torn apart, I've been torn and scarred. I had a given art, but now I'm thinking smart. I'm keeping up my guard, I'm hiding every card. A royal flush of left, you never know what's hard. With a back to the mat, gonna see where I'm at. I'ma fight like I'm mad, I'ma be something that they can never be me. Nice try, but they'll see I achieve everything while they stay salty. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off.
Right, now that that top one's in, I will dig a little bit out so I can slot this in. and then we're there. So I won't bother showing you that. I'll just dig it out, screw it up and everything and come back. Right, before I show you what it looks like, I think I'm going to dig a little bit of this out just to fill it up a little bit. I did find some. I put them out with the rest of them when I found them. There's a post there as well. So yeah, but I'll try and do that off camera. I've shown you how I do it and everything. So I'm going to dig a little bit of this out and put it down in this hole to fill this bit up. So I'm not going to do it all today, but I'll dig a little bit out just to fill it out a little bit. I ended up digging all of that out yesterday, all the way up to the compost bins. So obviously I've got that post there and I've got a couple of them boards. So I'm just going to do that board there that I've got, because as I said, I haven't got any more slats at the moment. So I'll get this put in, get it all screwed up and everything, and I'll come back to you. Well, it looks like the slow worm has come out to see what all the fuss is about. Right, I've got that one board out the back here by the polytunnel, so I will get some of my bricks and go up to as closest to that end of that board I can. Then I will come back to you. Right, the grand reveal, shall we say. It looks a lot better like that, doesn't it? I've got to admit that. But as you can see, I've got the front of the bed on now. It has, I must admit, obviously I've had to dig a little bit in here and what have you, so, but I've got the board on the back as well, and then bricks fit just about right. It actually managed to go to the end of the board there, right on the edge of it, so that's good. It's just a shame that I haven't got another one, really, but the compost is in the way, so, or the compost bin's in the way, so we wouldn't be able to go much further than that. I want to get up to that corner bit, really, but that's good. So that's the brassica bed all ready for this year. Thank you for watching and liking, and remember, don't be shy and hit the subscribe. Right, I'll catch you later. Bye.